Hello everyone, today I have decided to create the special occasion eye makeup where you can learn many new techniques, and I'm gonna use two different eyeshadow palette. One is from Huda Beauty and another is M.A.C. Alright, let's not waste the time and start eye makeup. Using this bright orange color on the crease with 217 from M.A.C. Today I'm gonna use new technique to create this look. I'm using a concealer palette from M.A.C. Medium is the shade name. You can go and get it in any M.A.C store. Apply this concealer with 242 brush. This is flat brush from M.A.C. Yeah, and if you don't have M.A.C brush, that's absolutely fine. You can use any flat synthetic hair brush. As I already mentioned, I'm using Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm using ox blood color just right on the crease with the flat brush, or it can be any sharp brush, whatever you feel comfortable. Another transition color, I'm using a dark brown shade right on the crease. The reason I'm using concealer today, it works as an eye base. Also, whenever you use any frost, like shiny eyeshadow over it, it gives you a very intense color. Now I'm gonna use the beautiful color, and I don't know what exactly the shade called is, but it looks like a little bit cranberry, yeah, and which is in shiny texture. Also, it adds a lot of glam to your eye makeup. And one and only eyeshadow palette from M.A.C, which I really cannot do most of my eye makeup without this palette. I am gonna use the black which is called Carbon, and which is in matte finish, which means there is no shine. This color I am just adding in the outer corner with the flat brush. I'm using the angular brush from M.A.C. The number is 266. This brush is very sharp, and this is very good to create this kind of look if you really want anything which you want neat and sharp. And one of my it's kind of favorite brush I use to create my eyebrows as well. After that, softly fade the line with 217 blending brush. Using the same concealer in the outer corner of the eyes, need to keep in the corner and sweep it out so that it gives you a very neat and clean look. Just want to make it a little intense in the crease, that's why I'm using this concealer again, and use the same color eyeshadow over this concealer. Use the sketch pen eyeliner. Whoever does not know how to use, just stretch your eyes and apply it. I want to extend this liner, but not exactly like winged, because if you do it winged, it gives you a very retro look. We don't want to get that look, because when you extend the eyeliner a little bit, it gives you a length to your eyes. Now you can see the huge difference, lashes and without lashes. When you add the lashes, it completes your eye makeup and looks beautiful eyes. And this lashes I have just stick with the lash glue. The name is Duo Glue. All the product details I'll write down in the description box. Using this highlighter on my cupid bow because I really want to get the very pouty lip. You can see my lip is little thin, and I'm using this Boldly Bare, which is a very nude lip pencil. Follow your natural lip line and fill this lip color called Velvet Teddy. This is also from M.A.C. You know, all my focus is eye makeup. I really don't want to apply any bright shade on my lip. Ooh, finally time to refresh and hydrate my skin. This is a Fix Plus hydrating spray. Use it all over your face. The skin looks very dewy after using the spray. Hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like my video, just give me a big thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Because if you subscribe it, whenever I upload my videos, you will get the notification.